Welcome to our tutorial on how to find unread notifications on Facebook for PC. With the latest update, Facebook has made it even easier to stay on top of your notifications. Let's dive right in and show you how to access those unread alerts in just a few simple steps. First things first, open up your favorite web browser and head over to facebook.com. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're on the Facebook homepage, take a look at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see a row of icons, including a bell-shaped icon. This is your notifications button. Now, here's where the magic happens. Click on that notifications icon and a drop-down menu will appear. This menu gives you a quick overview of your recent notifications. But we're not stopping there. In this new update, Facebook has added a nifty feature to help you focus on what's important. Look closely at the top of the notifications panel. You'll see a few options, including all and unread. Click on unread and voila! Facebook will now filter your notifications to show only the ones you haven't seen yet. This is a game changer for those of us who tend to accumulate a lot of notifications. By using this unread filter, you can quickly catch up on the latest updates, comments, and interactions you might have missed. It's an efficient way to ensure you're not overlooking anything important in your social network. Remember, Facebook is all about staying connected, and this feature helps you do just that. No more scrolling through endless notifications trying to figure out what's new. With this simple trick, you can stay on top of your social game without the hassle, and there you have it. Finding your unread notifications on Facebook for PC is now easier than ever. Give it a try and see how it streamlines your Facebook experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and tricks.